This is a pendant, a design for people with the letter in their name, H. With decorative motifs is the Rolex bezel, making it luxurious and pretty. In addition, it is designed to be flexible so that it can be combined with many types of gold to make the pendant more unique. Its estimated weight is 2.23 gram for 925. Silver. 2.46 gram for 10K. Gold. 2.78 gram for 14K. Gold. And 3.32 gram for 18K. Gold. If someone gives you or you give your loved one a gift of a pendant with your name on it, how wonderful. Please visit the link below to see more letter pendants. Thanks.